Well, I can tell you right now that this version is easier to read than yours. I almost skipped this one because it is so hard to read, but I think that we can do it. I want you to imagine that you're a player in a hockey game. One of the all-time greats is Wayne Gretzky. So maybe we are tracking statistics for Wayne Gretzky. And these are goals in a hockey game, goals scored. So along the bottom, we have, along the x-axis, we have the games. And on the y-axis, we have the goals. Okay, so the goals are ranging from 1 to 7, and the games are 1 to 15. So Wayne Gretzky played 15 games, and these are his stats. In the first game, he scored 7 goals. In the second game, he scored 2 goals. I'm sorry, no, 1 goal. I can't read those numbers. Here's 1. Let me do it this way, because I will keep making that mistake. Now, I know that I'm going to have to put these in order. So I'm going to use the heights of these bars to help me do that. What is the least number of games scored? Well, it's right here. In that second game, he only scored 1 goal. So I'm going to list 1 goal. Then the next lowest looks like this bar, which is tied with this one, which is tied with this one, which is tied with this one. That's looking like a mode. But that bar goes up to the 3. So in 4 games, he scored 3 goals. This is a 1. This is a 3, a 3, a 3, and a 3. Okay, his next highest bar is this one. There's a 5, and it was in there a few times. 3 times to be exact. So let's write it this way. Then the next one looks like he got up to 6 goals. And then he scored 7 goals this many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is actually the mode, I believe. I'm jumping the gun. Let's do a check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 games. So yes, we have them all accounted for. It looks like this is our mode. It was in there more than the 3s. So I'm going to go ahead and call it mode. Median is going to be the 7.5 mark, because 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So let's count over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. So it's that 5 right there. Okay, that's middle. That's median. Range is a simple subtraction of highest minus lowest. So there was quite a bit of variance in his performance. That means that he's not consistent in every game. And then mean, we have to do some math. So if I wanted to know what he averages per game, I would need to add up the scores. So we have 1. 3 times 3 is, or 3 times 4 is 12, plus 15, plus 12, plus 7 times 5 is 35, and that equals 75. Divided by 15 games. So his average, his mean, is 5. So mean is 5. Median is 5. Mode is 7. Range is 6 for this set of data.